Hey guys, I'm back. I know it's been a while. I know y'all missed me. Today I'm going to make a pineapple upside down cake. Looks so yummy, don't it? Can't wait to dive in. Okay, first what I did, I made a brown sugar and melted butter mixture. For this, I just guesstimated my measurements, but from what I can say, you could probably use like 1/3 cup of melted butter and maybe like 3 tablespoons of brown sugar. Either it's depending on how sweet you want it, either 3 teaspoons or 3 tablespoons, and just let it sit in there. And I'm gonna let it sit for a minute and harden. Okay, now I use 1 box of yellow cake mix, 1 cup of flour, a 1/2 cup of sugar, and then 1 teaspoon of baking powder. And then for my wet ingredients, I did 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. I did 1.5 cups of milk, a 1/2 cup of butter, and I also added 4 eggs. So basically then, like, the ingredients, it's your traditional ingredients that's on a box cake mix. But what I do, I like to add a little extra ingredients to give it that homemade flavor. Yep, and what you're gonna do right now, you're gonna add 1 egg at a time and then just mix it up with your hand mixer. Or if you don't have a hand mixer, you can use a whisk. It doesn't matter. Oh, I also forgot to add, I added a little bit of pineapple juice just to give it a little bit of hint of pineapple flavor. Now it's optional, but I thought it was something that I wanted to try new. I never tried before to see how it would come out. Yeah, just mix it on in there. I love that bowl. I actually caught that bowl from Dollar Tree, and it's magical. I love it. Yeah, make sure to mix it real good, but don't over mix it. Okay, what I'm doing, I just got my spatula. I'm just trying to make sure that everything is mixed together real good at the bottom of the bowl. I'm gonna set that to the side, and now I'm gonna put the pineapples and cherries at the bottom of the pan with the brown sugar and butter. Now this is the perfect pan to have, that way the pineapples can lay really good. So what I did, I cut pineapple slices in half and set them aside, and I also used the cherries. So I'm gonna lay the pineapples in there first. Now just cut them in half and lay them on right in there. And see, with this type of pan, it helps the pineapple stay in place. Or even if it doesn't quite stay in place, what you can do, you can let the butter sit a little bit so it can harden. That way it can hold them in place for you. Now I'm getting ready to lay the cherries in there. I'm going to just use a toothpick to get it out of the jar. Or if you don't want to use a toothpick, you can always use a spoon or a fork. It doesn't matter. It's your preference. Now I'm not going to lie. When I first started laying the cherries in there with the toothpick, it was working for me a little bit. But then I started struggling a little bit. So I ended up switching it up to get the rest of the cherries out so I could try to lay the pan. Yep, and then you're just going to pour the batter over the pineapples and the cherries. Now if the pineapples shift just a little bit while you're pouring the batter, it's okay. It's still going to bake the same. Now make sure you get all the batter in there. And now it's gonna put it in the oven for on 350 for 30 to 35 minutes. And here's the finished product. Now what I'm doing, I just wanted to try something. I decided to make like a glaze with powdered sugar and pineapple juice. You can do like just a little bit of powdered sugar and a little bit of pineapple juice and just get it to your desired consistency. And I just poured it over the cake. And there you go, finished product. It's so delicious too. Remember guys, when you're baking, remember to clean your hands thoroughly and don't touch your eyes, don't touch your face.